Good morning, I am Deepak Chauhan. I am not going to support this farmer strike going to be held on 8th December 2020 organized by the farmers. Actually, farmers organization took this decision nationwide strike. This definitely impact our economy. We definitely face lots of losses if this strike took place tomorrow. We are living in the nation where all depend on the farmers. Farmers are food provider. I don't know why farmer take such kind of decisions. And from I'm seeing that from last many days, farmer coming from the various part of the country and settled near the Delhi borders. They gathered near the Delhi borders and moving towards the Delhi. Actually, the political party forcing him, political party provoking and instigating him, and they are misguiding and misconcepted the farmer. They should protest, but farmer is not involved in this agitation. Farmer are for the nation. Farmer always think about the nation. Political parties like Congress and Aam Aadmi Party is involving in this agitation. Actually, political parties like Congress has no ideology. They believe in divide and rule. Or Aam Aadmi Party has no ideology. Aam Aadmi Party is instigating and providing the grounds to all those who are coming to join this protest. Actually, I want to ask two questions. One from the Congress: why Congress did not pass any bill in 70 years? Actually, when Modi government passed this bill, why Congress had problem? And one question from the Aam Aadmi Party: in COVID era, when all the residents of Delhi was compelled to leave Delhi due to the COVID, and they are not having the good meal in Delhi. They do not have the food to eat. When they migrate to their hometowns, where were the Aam Aadmi Party? Why they did not support at that time? Or nowadays they are providing the grounds and providing all the foods and supplies to the those who are involving in this agitation. So those who are involving in this movement, they are not belongs to the farmer ground. Actually, I am also belongs to the farmer family. I know what farmer is. So I appeal and my humble submission to the all farmers, those who are involved in this agitation and strike, please stop and take back as early as possible, because this is not good for the nation. One more thing that I want to share: many oppositions or like Congress and Aam Aadmi Party instigating our farmers that they not being paid or they not being given the good price of their product. Actually, what is the bill? Bill is in the favor of the farmer. Actually, they misguided the farmers that the market halls are stopped. I want to say that no market hall uh, has stopped. All the market halls are open, but there is a difference. Earlier farmer was compelled to sell and purchase the crop from the market halls. Now nowadays farmer is free. He can sell and purchase the crop from anywhere from India and get more profit. There are brokers, and there were the commission agent earlier. Nowadays farmer is free from the brokers and commission agent. So farmer has direct touch to the market. So many parties and broker and commission agent are instigating the opposition. Congress and Aam Aadmi instigating and searching their lost ground, because they had no ideology. They always compel and instigating the farmers and for their political benefits, political mileage. I request all the farmers, I fold my hands, please stop this agitation and movement and do not go for this strike. Thank you very much.